What is up, guys? My name is Chase, and today we are back in Happy Wheels. I hope you guys enjoyed the other video, playing Among Us. If you did, leave a like on that video, and I'll know to play it again. But today we are playing some more Happy Wheels. We are going on to level 6, which we did not do very well on last time. Well, actually, we did pretty well. And then I think we got crushed. Yeah, that's what happened. Alright, we're gonna go against this.
Damn!
Helmet's off, and sun is gone. We're taking his seat, though. Oh, get away, get away. Seat, get out of the way. Okay. Stupid seat. Alright. And then we got hit with the wrecking ball. Oh, no. Move. Alright. Now we go off here. We're supposed to jump this. No, then we're supposed to go... Wait, where are we supposed to go? We're supposed to hit this. And then... And yeah. Go, 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 go! Oh! Everything's falling. Oh. Don't leave. Don't leave. I'm stuck. Oh wow, my whole entire bike fell apart. Now I'm falling. Oh. My bike like fell apart. I was stuck between the elevator and that. I don't know what was like holding it there. But that's crazy. Alright, let's try that again. Go, go, go. Alright. Don't. Oh. Really? Okay, my bike is falling apart today. Fell apart twice. Me and my son are just bouncing along. That looks awesome. Alright, go. Go. Ah! Yes! We made it. Can we scoot along? Yeah, no. We're gonna restart that one. We weren't doing up endo. Alright, go, 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 go. No, don't just go for it. Fell. Not doing too well. Alright. I like blew Billy through my bike. That was like weird. Alright. I want that to happen again. So take us up, elevator. Take us up.
Damn!
He's in my seat. Come on, son, ride the bike. Oh, you're supposed to stop. Our bike's gonna, like, blow up now. Watch. Watch. See? There it happened. And he's jammed between the spikes and everything. And, Dad, you're just not gonna help us today. Granddad, you're gonna help us today. With Mr. Pinkman. We meet again! You've foiled my plans many times, but time to foil yours. Hurry up! Can I just hit you? Really don't like you, Mr. Pinkman. Alright. Move on. Rocket away. Alright. Where's it gonna go next? Alright. Jetpack backwards. Alright. Jetpack through. Ooh. Test 2. Go. What? How is that ball so powerful? Alright, we are going to try a different level on Granddad. Oh, we're back at the construction site! The place we hate the most, where vehicles like to fall apart. Alright, we got a wrecking ball. Oh, that's gonna be right there. Okay, that's really good to know. Thanks for, like, telling me. Alright. Go, go, go. You're gonna get hit. Okay. You're good. Go, go, go. Go. Oh. I'm so scared of these wrecking balls. Oh. I see what you're supposed to do. Awesome. Awesome, Granddad. Professional. That was like awesome. Like, you know, a lot of times I say such a clean backflip. That was. Alright. Let's hop off here. Oh, we weren't supposed to do that, were we? Oh, Granddad! Granddad? Man. Alright, let's try this again. Yep, and that wrecking ball is just gonna own us because I'm stupid and I can't play Happy Wheels. Alright, let's start backing up now. Go, go, go! Rocket out of here! Watch out for the other one! Granddad, you can... Okay, no, you can't still do it. Gosh! Alright, start backing it up. Alright, rocket. Alright, go, go, go! Backwards, 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 go! Oh, that was so close. Alright. Just rocket. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, just stop. Stop doing Grandpa! Stop with the backflips. Stop. Alright. Alright, just roll up. Yes. Just be glorious with it. Yes. Okay, now you can do your backflip. And your hand falling off. Alright, go! You have really screwed this up. And now you are getting crushed. The construction site is not our thing. We're going to 12. Alright, what are we doing here? And we've lost. Wait, wait, wait. We can still do that. Like, watch.
Oh, my leg!
Oh, your leg. Just rocket out of here.
Oh, my leg! Save me!
I'm trying, Grandpa. But... okay. We couldn't save him, guys. Let's try that again. Okay. Can't you just, like, rocket out there? Come on. Just backwards. Forwards! Eject, go! Dude, we made that far. We made it so far. Alright, maybe we're supposed to go up here. Okay, maybe not. Granddad? Okay, he's not alright. Oh, you like sunk into the floor. Alright. We're supposed to come up here. Alright. Drop down here. Backwards. Alright.
Oh, my leg!
Stop complaining about your leg. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. Stop. Bro, your legs don't even work. Go! Come on, Granddad. Granddad. Yep, go over. Slow down. Alright. Now we go backwards. No, no, not so fast. No! Awesome. Okay, I think we're supposed to jump from here. Rocket! Keep going, keep going. Go, go, go. Come on, Granddad. Alright, we're gonna try level 9. Oh, this one looks fun. Yep, you're just gonna fall over. Go! Oh, we're supposed to dodge the whole minefield. Alright. Go! Granddad! Okay. They all blew up because I think we lost a limb or something. Alright, let's go next level. Oh! Don't get shot again. Oh. Alright, what's the next level? Oh, no! Get away from... was so freaking close. Alright, now you're gonna let us through. Alright. We'll just fly above it. Yep. Go. Are we gonna get this first try? I think maybe. First try? Isn't that like level 9 or something? Let's go. See, that's a good level. Let's try level 11. Pink Man, you're serving popcorn now? What is it with you and me? I'm just gonna rocket you away. Okay. Goodbye, world! Go, wheelchair. Be free. I hate you. Alright, we're supposed to go hop on the ride and dodge. Bro, we are dodging this. Yeah. Oh, wow. We got a beating to the face. Like, brutally. Go. Alright, hop on a ride. Hop on a ride. No, that... No. Just lay down. No, you didn't listen, Grandpa. Alright. Alright, keep just levitating. Levitate off the ground. Alright, go! No! You're supposed to hop on a ride. Do 14. Oh, we're in the golden minecart.
Oh, my leg!
Oh, okay. That's real pleasant. Don't crush my wheelchair. Alright. We need a rocket. No. Stop. We need to hop out of this thing. And roll down here. That's not the way to go. I think I know what we have to do. And then hop out of this and just fly. Alright, awesome, we made it. Slow it down. Danger. Let me see if I can just get that, like, touch it. No, I didn't touch it. Alright. Go. Awesome. Good job, Granddad. Doing amazing, buddy. Oh. Alright, slow. Bro. What are you doing? Alright, just levitate. Just go. Fly over this. Go, Granddad, you can do it! Alright, now we're supposed to come down here. Avoid that. Perfectly landed. And then just fly the other way. We've done it before. And we have. And then we just totally sucked it. Alright, just levitate. No, don't levitate in there. And then speed up. Oh, he's gonna do a somersault. No, don't land like that. Your head's gonna pop off. Just fly above. Fly. Keep going. Just levitate. Come on, keep going. Oh! What did they do to your poor back wheel? Huh. Okay, we weren't getting anywhere. I mean, you saw that back wheel, right? Let's try level 12. We've done this, and we hate it. Let's do... Who are we missing? Segwayman! Let's do level 12. Wait a second. We know a level like this. This is the last level of Dad. Oh. Well, that's nice. It's real nice. Alright. Where do we have to get off? We gotta get off here. Oh, why did I eject? Huh. Grab my, Alright. Backflip. Okay, you're not... Huh. Ah. Let's retry that. Alright, slow it down. Alright, the jump is over here. Jump! Alright. What do we gotta do? Alright. Hup. Jump. Alright, we're doing pretty well. Alright, slow down. What are we supposed to do? Oh, we're supposed to go forward. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, we're dead. Is the finish line right there? Okay, so... Oh. That's nice. Yeah. Oh, there's a landmine. Oh! Our heart is going through everything right now. Oh, there's our helmet and our, Segway. How you doing, buddy? Alright, alright. This one looks, terrifying. What? That's... But... Alright. What? No. It's not fair. Start from back here, run up! That's... Okay, maybe if we come up... Okay. Oh, wow. And, let's just come here. Jump. Shot millions of times. Okay, we survived that. I'm very surprised. Get some of those arrows out. Alright, hop. Keep going, go. Oh, we know this part. Our head waited to the next one. That's, hop. Jump through. Ooh, no arrows whatsoever. Look at this guy, he's perfect. He's perfect. Alright, let's release this. Jump, jump, jump. Jump. Aw, you didn't listen. Did this really well, man. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed, leave a like on the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notifications button so you can see when I make more videos. Apart from that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.